Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? That's why I made the website, and you can go there to get art, colinmullen.com. So hey everybody, this is one of 3 paintings that I did while my computer was in the shop. So I recently upgraded my PC. It'd been a bit. There was smoke coming out of it at one point. I don't think it was a big deal. I know that sounds bad. It's fine. Listen, it's fine. Anyway, I decided I would go ahead and upgrade my computer, which meant that I needed to take the parts out of the old one because there's a lot of parts like the hard drives and stuff like that I wanted to trans over. And so that meant that I was without a PC for like a few days. And in that time, I had like nothing to do because I couldn't, stream. I couldn't edit videos. I couldn't SEO videos easily or effectively. I couldn't play video games. I couldn't hang out with my friends on Discord. We're kind of all locked inside still because the world's on fire. So it's like, okay, well, I can't go anywhere because, again, the world's on fire and I can't go places, or I don't want to because I don't want to, cause problems like that. So what does that leave me doing? And art apparently is the answer. And I think it's what I want to talk about this week. Basically, I've noticed anytime that I go on like vacation, I'm suddenly very much inspired to do art. And I sort of always took that as it's because I'm not as stressed out and I can just relax and do a thing that I enjoy. I thought that it was because it's vacation, a time that I'm like set aside to just like relax, and because I am relaxed, I'm like, in a better headspace and I can do better art. I've talked about previously how like stress and all that kind of stuff is not good for your art. The whole myth of like, do the sad artist or whatever. No, I don't do good art when I'm like that. What I think it is I think that without distractions, without other things to get in the way, I just need to create more. I need to make more stuff. And I think that's how people were able to do so much art back in the day. I mean, shocking revelation, guys. With nothing else to do, you would probably do art. And I think it's, kind of obvious, but there's so many distractions nowadays. You could just go play video games. You could look at Twitter until you're depressed. You could do all of these other things that aren't art. And so you do those things. And it's a unique experience to be forced into it, because I could easily just go like, oh, well, unplug your, internet cable and then you have to do art, right? But that doesn't work like that, does it? Like you're gonna just go, well, I could just plug it back in. It's like a certain very specific mental state, at least for me. I should say this is for me at least, that when I know I can't do anything else, I do art. Like, I don't have those other distractions to get in the way. I can't just go and do something real easy and basic, like play a video game. I have to do something that's, going to take up a little bit more time because I want it to take up more time. So I don't know if there's anything to glean from this, if there's anything that you can take away from this, if there's a way to maybe implement this into your own life where like you just like have nothing else going on so you can just do art. Like, not like don't go to work. I'm saying like when you have the free time, when you're not at work and you're not asleep, is there a way to like with a switch, like just be in that mode where it's like there's nothing else to do, so I have to do art? Like, is there a way to implement that? Can anyone think of a way to do that? Because I think that would be really good for me to just like bust out like a billion things of art until I run out of canvases. I don't know. I don't think it's as easy as just unplugging my computer, because I could just plug it back in, It has to be taken away from me, I guess. Let me know if you guys think of anything, if you guys have any tricks that you think would work for that. But regardless, a couple days without a computer was like a month's worth of work as far as art goes. So there we go. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. We're going to talk about the people on Patreon. If you are one of the cool people that wants to throw $5 or more at me, you'll end up in the credits. Otherwise, just a massive thanks to you for, donating what you can or just watching this video. But I'm going to thank the people on the patreon.com/RevScarecrow. The patreon.com/RevScarecrow. It's a weird way of saying that. Anyway, that did that. Starting with my mom. Thank you, Mom. I love you. Thank you, Wap Fu. Thank you, Top Houndor. Thank you, That Two Guy. Thank you, Terry Maverick. Thank you, Snoutpunk. Thank you, Orthogonal Caster. Thank you, Mortis Nodus. Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Maliciousness. Thank you, Kayla Hollinger. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Gala. Thank you, Ego. Thank you, Dragon. Thank you, Dimitris Gezgales. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Bubba Fair. Thank you, Bep. Thank you, Andy. Thank you, Amber. And thank you, Ants! Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know. If you have any idea on how to implement that state, let me know. And I'll see you in the next one.